This is the beginner's guide to setting up your own Google calling card. You can now create a personalized digital business card that appears on screens of the people when they call. Here is a step-by-step tutorial to get yours set up. So step one is to access the calling card menu. So what we want to do is open the Google Phone app on your Android device, and you can find the setup tool in two ways. The first one is look for a large banner at the top of the screen that says Introducing Calling Card. All we have to do is tap Get Started. If you don't see the banner, tap the three lines in the top left corner and then tap on Settings. In here, you want to go down towards the bottom and you will see an option for calling card. Tap on this. Now what we want to do is choose the profile and photo. Let's tap on Add to add a calling card. And for this tutorial, I'm going to select Mum. And we have a few different options here. We need a visual for the card, and you can select a photo from three sources: the camera to take a new photo, the gallery to use a save photo, and Google Photos. What I'm going to do for this option is I'm going to go with Google Photos, and I'm going to tap on Mum, and I am going to find a picture that I want to use, and we'll go with this. So whenever you've got the image on the screen, you can zoom in and out and position it to however you want. We can then adjust the font of the name. There is a slider option here. If we go in here, we can adjust the width, the weight, and the brightness. And we can hit the OK button. We then have the option to select different colors. And then whenever you're happy enough, tap on the Done button and you have created your first calling card. If you don't see this feature yet, it's because Google rolls out updates in stages. You may not see these options immediately. To fix this, all you need to do is visit the Google Play Store and ensure your Google Phone app is updated to the latest version. If it is updated and still missing, you may need to wait for a server-side switch from Google to reach your specific device.